This is Meadow Ridge Complex in Hermon. It's a complex of 2-bedroom townhouses. It's actually at the end of North Street in Hermon. Not too far from the town line of Bangor into Hermon, maybe a couple of miles. It's pretty private. It's at the end of North Street, so the only traffic that's here is the traffic that comes down to Meadow Ridge. We're going to look at unit number 6 in building 100. 100 is the very first building as you come in. Building 100 is also one of the smallest of the units. Building 100 and 102 were the first phase, and they are the smallest units. There are 3 sizes of units at Meadow Ridge: small, medium, and large. So you walk into the living room. This unit actually has just been redone with brand new flooring. It's the vinyl plank clip flooring, which is very nice. It's easy clean, it's very durable, and like I said, easy clean. Doesn't take any special kind of care to clean it. You have a breakfast bar right here where you can put some bar stools. There's lots of covered space and counter space. Does come with a microwave. This is pretty new, it's stainless steel. Also, the dishwasher is new. Does have a 5-burner glass top stove. Freezer has an ice maker. And then there's room right here for a dining table, kitchen table, sort of a area if you wanted to use it to have a sitting area. And this does have a full walkout basement, this unit does, but the washer dryer hookups are right up here in the kitchen. Some people do like that better, so they don't have to go into the basement in order to do laundry, so it's right here off the kitchen in its own little closet. And then this does have a deck. Most of the units here don't have basements. This is the only one that does. And this one does have a deck which is over the door. This unit next door also has a deck, but as you can kind of see, there's basically ledge there, so no basement, but it does have a deck. Pretty good size. You could get some patio furniture, grill out here. And it's pretty quiet. It's all wooded, so it's kind of private. Some people put bird feeders out here, plant flowers and so forth. You could grow some veggies in pots and so forth. So it's a pretty open concept, from the living room right down to the through the kitchen to the back area. And then it also has a closet here. Most people will generally use it as a pantry. This has some shelves over on the side and a shelf up top. And then the basement, it's a full basement, pretty good size. Most people use it as storage. It's basically the size of a storage unit that you would rent. A lot of people would use it to work out because it does stay nice and cool in the summertime. This door over here goes to the utility room. The boiler system for the building is in there. If they should ever need to get in there, they would send a message ahead of time, but that wouldn't happen very often. Electrical panel is right there. Again, the walkout basement goes right out under the deck. It's very convenient to get bulky items into the basement for storage. So again, this is the only unit in this building that has a walkout basement. Again, pretty good size. Great for storage. You could put some shelves down here. And again, people do use it to work out. You could get a treadmill down here, something like that. Again, it's pretty convenient. That's one thing a lot of people like about these units. The other buildings also do have walkout basements. Most of them do. And this does have 2 bedrooms upstairs. One thing that's different about this unit is it only has 1 full bathroom. 4 of the units here have one bathroom and then a walk-in closet in the master bedroom. So that is something that a lot of people do like to have. Here's a linen closet, top of the stairs. Here is the second bedroom, smaller bedroom. Really good size though, would take a queen size bed, no problem. Does have a cable hookup. A closet here. Blinds do come with the unit in all of the windows. So really good size. The full bath is here in the hallway. Does have ceramic tile floor in the bathroom. Again, it is a full bath with tub and shower. And then at the end of the hall down here is the master bedroom, which is a really, really good size. They still have some odds and ends to do here, but really good size. Made to take a king size bed, no problem, plus furniture. And then this is the walk-in closet, which is a really, really nice thing to have if you have clothes and things you want to store. You could actually get a bureau in here as well, shoe racks, anything like that. So in the other units that have the two bathrooms, this actually would take up, if the closet or if the bathroom is here, there's actually another closet in the bedroom, which takes up additional space right over here in this corner. So it is nice to have that closet if you do have a need for it. So this is 100 number 6 Meadow Ridge Drive. It includes everything but electric and internet. There is a dumpster for trash. There are mailboxes for mail. Plowing is included. Lawn care is included. Parking for 2 vehicles. If you're interested, visit our website at rentbangor.com or call 207-974-6606.